Welcome. Today, we'll provide a concise overview of the custom cloud feature. Organizations often operate various hypervisors and use their own automation tools or APIs to provision desktops. With the custom cloud feature, administrators can now integrate these desktops into the Workspot control pool. This includes cloud desktops, on-premises hypervisor desktops, or physical machines. Once added, supported policies can be applied seamlessly. It's important to note that Workspot does not provision or manage these custom desktops. Instead, it integrates them into the desktop pool using APIs, allowing end users to launch them via the Workspot client. Now let's dive into the demo. In the Workspot control interface, you'll find the new feature. Click the button labeled Add Custom Cloud. Provide a name and description, then click Save. This action adds the configuration to Workspot control. Next, create a desktop pool. Select the Custom Cloud option. You can choose between a persistent or non-persistent pool. For this demo, we'll select Persistent. Assign a pool name and description. Under the setting called Action when a user is no longer part of the pool, select Suspend the desktop and delete after 2 weeks. This ensures only the desktop entry and control is removed. The actual desktop on the hypervisor remains unaffected. Now choose the gateway type. All 4 gateway types are supported. Optionally, select a pool icon. You can also apply any of these 3 policies: protocol policy, time limit policy, and media redirection policy. Finally, configure the allowed clients and click Create. At this point, the custom cloud desktop pool is created. Remember, Workspot does not provision the desktops, it simply adds them to the pool. To add desktops, Workspot introduces a new API. You'll need the pool ID of the custom cloud desktop pool. To add desktops, Workspot introduces a new API. You'll need the pool ID of the custom cloud desktop pool. In the API request body, provide the computer name, which is required, along with either the BIOS GUID or a combination of FQDN and MAC address. Once the API is executed, the custom desktop is added to the pool. Note that the desktop must have the Workspot agent installed and registered with Workspot control. Let's register a custom cloud desktop. The desktop is already domain joined. First, install the Workspot agent and register it with Workspot control. Run the re-register pool VM batch file using the agent token and company identifier. The batch file is located in C:\program files Workspot agent. Retrieve the agent token from the custom cloud pool in Workspot control by clicking the agent token button, copy the token, and append the company identifier to the end of the command. Now use your preferred API tool, such as Postman, to run the API for adding custom desktops. First, retrieve the pool ID of the custom desktop pool. Enter the pool ID, and in the body, provide the computer name, FQDN, and MAC address. You can obtain the MAC address from the VM itself. Just replace hyphens with colons in the format. run the Create Custom Desktop API. If successful, the response will confirm the addition. Go back to Control and you'll see the custom desktop added. Next, assign the custom cloud desktop to a user using the Assign Desktop API. Start by retrieving the desktop ID from the pool. Update the API body with the desktop ID and assign it to the desired user. Once successful, verify the assignment in Control. Log into the Workspot client to see the newly added desktop pool icon. From here, you can launch the custom cloud desktop. For custom desktops, the Reboot Desktop option is the only action supported. This functionality operates through the Workspot agent at the guest OS level. Other actions are not available. For non-persistent custom cloud pools, retrieve the agent token using the Agent Token API, as it is not visible in the GUI. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the custom cloud feature.